When you're looking to invest in software like Stamped, it's essential to know exactly what you're getting into before making the final decision. Stamped is a powerful tool, but just like with any software, there are some important things you need to understand. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to give you everything you need to know so you can make an informed choice. Plus, there's a bonus free trial linked in the description that you won't want to miss. First off, Stamped specializes in product reviews, customer feedback, and customer loyalty solutions. It's a robust tool that helps businesses collect reviews across different platforms and leverage them to increase trust and conversion rates. What sets Stamped apart is its ability to integrate easily into platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it an ideal choice for e-commerce stores looking to enhance their social proof. This integration process is streamlined and requires minimal technical knowledge, which is a huge plus compared to some other review platforms. Next thing you need to know is how customizable it is. While Stamped does a lot out of the box, you can also customize how your reviews appear, allowing for a more seamless integration with your brand. This gives you flexibility, especially compared to competitors that often have rigid, one-size-fits-all templates. Whether you're looking to match your website's color scheme or display reviews in a unique way, Stamped gives you the ability to do that, making your customer experience even better. The third thing to consider is Stamped's analytics. It doesn't just collect reviews and feedback, it gives you real insights into customer behavior. You can track trends, spot areas of improvement, and fine-tune your products and services based on real-time data. Many competitors are limited in this area, but Stamped really takes it a step further by offering an intuitive analytics dashboard that helps you stay on top of customer sentiment. Now, let's talk about customer support. In my experience, Stamped's customer service is solid. They offer a variety of support options, including live chat, email, and even a detailed help center. Many other software tools leave you hanging when you have questions, but Stamped goes out of its way to ensure you're never stuck for long. The support team is knowledgeable, responsive, and provides timely solutions, which is crucial when you're managing a growing business. The fifth thing you should know is that Stamped works hard to improve its features, constantly updating the platform. With a strong product roadmap and an active user community, you'll get access to new features and improvements regularly. This is key when comparing Stamped to its competitors, many of which can feel stagnant, especially if you're looking for ongoing innovation in customer engagement. The sixth thing is how well it helps with trust building. In today's market, social proof is everything, and Stamped excels at turning reviews into a trust-building tool. Whether you're using product reviews, photos from customers, or testimonials, Stamped makes it easy to showcase the credibility of your brand. Unlike other review tools that only display text, Stamped also supports user-generated photos and videos, which can really elevate your brand's authenticity and trustworthiness. The seventh thing you need to know before buying Stamped is its scalability. It's a tool that grows with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a larger enterprise, Stamped can handle the volume. Its flexibility allows it to adapt to your evolving needs, whereas many competitors are more suited for either small or large businesses, but not both. So, if you're looking for a review platform that not only helps you collect feedback, but also improves your brand's credibility, drives conversion, and scales as your business grows, Stamped is a great option. And remember, if you want to give it a try for yourself, click the first link in the description for a free trial that'll give you full access to its powerful features. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.